Hello everyone. Hello sir. I'm Rupal from Industrial Outlook magazine and we are here for RAI 2023. Let's start this conversation with a brief introduction of sir.
Hi, my name is Mehul Sharma. I am Chief Business Officer for Sunpure India.
So, if we talk about RAI, we are attending this event from last 3 days. What will be your biggest takeaway from this mega event?
This REI has been a very good event for us. We saw a lot of people, a lot of industry stakeholders visiting us. And specifically for Sunpure, this event has been a great opportunity because during the last 3 days, we have closed close to around 1 gigawatt of orders during these 3 days. So it has been a great event for us.
Is there any new product launch from Sunpure side? What are the key features of that?
Yeah, so this time we have launched a product which is specifically made for India market. So Sunpure is into robotic cleaning solutions, and in India, most of the solar plants are facing one of the major problems of soiling losses or the generation reduction due to the soil and dust in the solar power plants. So Sunpure has come up with intelligent robots which can clean up your entire solar plant in less than 3 hours and can increase your generation from 1.5% to 18% depending on different site conditions.
So, doing business in international market, do you see any difference doing business in India or international market?
Yes, every market has its own unique challenges and opportunity. So, Sunpure is doing business in India. We are doing business in Middle East market, US and Europe. So all of these markets have different challenges. But specifically, if I want to compare India market, in India, the value for money is something that is looked after as a major decision making. And this goes back to the bidding and the PPA rates because according to that, it has been done. But fortunately, robotic system is something which clients are asking for quality of the product because this is one product which is helping increasing the return on investment by increasing the energy gain. So here people are specifically coming forward to ask for latest technology and best results. So that is something that we see in India also, something which is similar to outside market. And another difference, if I have to talk about, India is more concerned on levelized cost of energy LCOE because the plant size are increasing. For example, if we talk about today or nowadays, the average utility project size is around 450 watt peak is the 450 megawatt is the average plant size. So with the larger plant size, the cleaning solution has to be more optimized, more intelligent, and should be able to provide a better results. So that's something that we are looking as a change in India as international market.
So, if we talk about expansion plans, what are your roadmap for upcoming year?
So this year, 2023 till now, we are close to around 3 gigawatt of projects and somewhere around 5,000 robots are successfully running in India. For next year, we plan to increase our base by at least 2 to 3 times. And we are also starting with our local manufacturing unit in India.
Before concluding this interaction, would you like to send any message to your customer?
Yes. First of all, we would like to thank all our clients and stakeholders for such trust and tremendous response in Sunpure. And it's our commitment to provide the best technology product with the most innovative solution. So that's our commitment to all our clients globally.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.